In a world where humans face an unprecedented invasion from giant mice standing 100 times their size, our survival would hinge on innovative strategies and collective resilience as we unite to develop advanced technology and defensive fortifications to combat these overwhelming foes. As the battle rages on, we would employ guerrilla tactics, utilizing the element of surprise through ambushes and traps designed specifically to exploit the weaknesses of these massive invaders, showcasing our adaptability and determination in the face of such dire circumstances. With each passing day, we would refine our strategies, collaborating across communities to share knowledge and resources, building alliances that strengthen our defenses and enhance our collective efforts to outsmart these colossal adversaries. By leveraging science and technology, we would not only create ingenious weapons but also discover ways to utilize the giant mice's own instincts against them, crafting clever distractions that draw them away from populated areas and into our carefully laid traps. Through relentless innovation and an unwavering spirit of collaboration, we would celebrate each small victory against the giant mice, turning our fear into empowerment and inspiring hope for a future where humanity can reclaim its planet from these oversized intruders. As the tides of war began to turn in our favor, we would come to realize that our greatest strength lies not only in our technological advancements but also in our unwavering determination and the bonds formed during the struggle, ultimately proving that even the smallest of warriors can triumph against the most formidable of foes. In the aftermath of our hard-fought victory, we would harness our newfound strength and wisdom to rebuild our communities, ensuring that the lessons learned from the giant mouse invasion not only fortified our defenses but also united humanity in a shared commitment to protect our world from any future threats.